In this video, I'm going to show you how to add in Chick-Fil-A points from a receipt. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you need to do is to add a Chick-Fil-A points from a receipt, download the Chick-Fil-A app if you haven't, and make sure to sign up or sign in. And then you need to navigate to scan. So on the app's home screen, tap the scan icon located at the bottom of the screen. Select submit a missed transaction. So after selecting scan, you'll see an option that says submit a missed transaction at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and then you want to enter the receipt information. So you'll be prompted to enter the details from your receipt. So your order number found at the top of your receipt, your restaurant number, this is typically found near the top of your receipt too, and date and time. So I've got an example receipt here. So if I go here, you've got your order number here. That's what you need to add in. You've also got the date and time here as well. And then you got the restaurant number. So that's it there. So they are the three things you need to use. And then ensure all the information is entered accurately. And then from there, submit the information. So after entering the required details, submit the form. Points from the purchase should be added to your account within 1 to 2 days. Important note. So you must submit your receipt within 7 days of your purchase to earn points. Any longer, they will not work. And also, Chick-fil-A only allows one missed transaction per a 30-day period. So this process allows you to retroactively earn points for a transaction if you forgot to scan your app at the time of purchase.